Hello students, in today's class we'll see how to get the Kp value and steady state error value for different types of open loop transfer functions. Okay, we have already seen that steady state error depends on two things. One is the input and the other one is the open loop transfer function g of s h of s. And we have already seen how the steady state error varies for different types of standard inputs, unit step, unit ramp and unit parabolic. Now we will see how it varies with respect to the type of open loop transfer function. Okay, we already know that Kp is limit s tends to 0, g of s h of s. Kv is limit s tends to 0, yes, g of s h of s. And Ka is limit s tends to 0, s square, g of s h of s. And this is for unit step, and this is for ramp, and this is for parabolic, right? Okay, now let us start with the types. Assume that it is a type 0 system. What is meant by a type 0 system? We have already seen that type of a system is nothing but a number of poles at origin will give the type. So, for example, g of s h of s is equal to s plus z1, s plus z2 and so on, divided by s plus p1, s plus p2 and so on. Okay, so this is called as a type 0 system. Okay, and what is a type 1 system? G of s h of s is equal to s plus z1, s plus z2 and so on, divided by s into s plus p1, s plus p2 and so on, right? And what about type 2 system? G of s h of s is equal to s plus z1, s plus z2 and so on, divided by s square into s plus p1, s plus p2, etc. This is a type 2 system, right? So now let us assume here we have a tableau column, okay, for different types of input step, ramp and parabolic, and the type 0, type 1, type 2. What about the Kp value, steady state error value, and Kv value, steady state error, Ka and steady state error, right? So now let us assume a type 0 system. Okay, for a type 0 system, what about the Kp value? Okay, so what is Kp? Assume a type 0 system. Kp is equal to limit s tends to 0, g of s, h of s. So what will happen when you apply the limits s tends to 0? Here. So what will happen? z1 into z2 and so on, divided by p1 into p2 into so on, right? So what will happen? It will be a constant value k, right? So Kp is nothing but a constant value for a type 0 system, some constant k. And what about the steady state error? We know that the steady state error for a step input is nothing but 1 by 1 plus Kp, and for ramp it is 1 by Kv, and for parabolic it is 1 by Ka. So what will happen? 1 by 1 plus K is the steady state error, right? Similarly, for a type 1 system, what will happen? Type 1 system, what is Kp? Limit s tends to 0, g of s, h of s is equal to So type 1, right? Type 1 means Z1 into Z2 into so on divided by, you have a S, right? So 0 into P1 into P2 into so on. So what will happen? So anything divided by 0 is infinity, right? Okay. So what will happen? Kp is infinity. And what about steady state error? It is nothing but 1 by 1 plus infinity, which is equal to 0. Correct? 1 by infinity is 0. And similarly, what about type 2 system? Type 2 also, it is nothing but Z1 into Z2 divided by A square. Same thing, 0 into. So type 2 is also same. Type 2 Kp is nothing but limit s tends to 0, g of s h of s. So Z1 into Z2 into so on divided by 0 square P1 into P2. So that is infinity. Okay. So it is Kp is infinity and steady state error is 1 by 1 plus infinity, which is nothing but 0. Okay. Now let us see what is Kv. Okay. For various types. Kv, Kv, Kv. And so what do we have here? Yes. Okay. So now the same thing, but it is S into, right? So it is equal to S into, so you have a 0 here. So numerator you have a 0, right? So what happens? 0 into anything is again 0, right? And similarly, what about for a type 1? This is equal to limit s tends to 0, s into s plus z1 into s plus z2, so on divided by s into s plus p1 into s plus p2 and so on. So what happens? These both s gets cancelled. So when you apply limits s tends to 0, this will be a constant k now. Am I right? Right? So this will become a constant k. And what happens here? Here again it is limit s tends to 0, s into s plus z1, s plus z2, so on divided by s square, right? So s square into, s square into s plus p1 into s plus p2 and so on. So when you apply this, s gets cancelled. So what happens? You will have limit s tends to 0, s plus z1, s plus z2 and so on divided by s into s plus p1 into s plus p2 and so on. So when you apply limits, you will have z1 into z2 into so on divided by 0 into p1 into p2 so on. So this will be infinity. Okay. So what happens? For a type 0 system, Kv is 0. So 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is what? Infinity. And next is k. What about this? So it is 1 by k. And here it is infinity. So 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. Okay. And now again for the parabolic, which is Ka. So Ka, what do you have? S square, right? So here again it is 0 square. It is type 1, right? Okay. So now here if you see S square G of S H of S, so type 0 means this one. So S square, 0 square into Z1 into Z2 divided by P1 into P2. So what you will get 0. And for a type 1 system, S square into G of S H of S. So G of S H of S has a S in the denominator, right? So one S gets cancelled. So numerator you have a S. So when you apply limit S tends to 0, what happens? Entire thing will become 0, right? And now here it's a type 2. Type 2 means you have S square into G of S H of S. So what is G of S H of S? G of S H of S has a S square in the denominator. So both the S squares gets cancelled. So you will be having only this. So when you apply limit S tends to 0, Z1 into Z2 into so on divided by P1 into P2 into so on, which is nothing but a constant K, right? So K is equal to 0 for type 0, and again it is 0 for type 1, and for type 2 it is K. So what happens? Steady state error is 1 by 0 which is equal to infinity, 1 by 0 which is equal to infinity, and it is 1 by K here. Is it right? So from this tabular column you can see our aim is to reduce the steady state error, right? The steady state error should be 0. That is ideal. So what happens? See, you can find out the steady state error is 0 for a step input. Right. So when you look at this tabular column, see, for a type 0 system, which type of input is preferred? If it is a type 0 system, when you apply a ramp input or a parabolic input, the steady state error becomes infinity, which is not acceptable, right? See, at least a minor value, a small value is accepted. So for a type 0 system, it is better to use a step input, right? For a type 1 system, which type of input is better? When you apply parabolic, the error is infinity. When you apply a ramp input, you have some value. But what about a step input? The steady state error becomes 0. So for a type 1 system, we can always prefer step input. And for a type 2 system, it is very obvious. You can either use a step or a ramp input. Okay.